Hello, good afternoon. This is Fahad here with the Tech Mania today. How are you guys? I hope you guys are going alright. Okay, we've got a very beautiful product today to look at, and we are going to do a review on DJI Spark. Alright, stay tuned. We're going to show you what things are included and how it fly and the range, and we're going to do some kind of tests in the park. As you guys can see in the background, we are in the park. Stay tuned. And alright, there you go, guys. Let's open it up and see what's in there. Okay guys, we have taken off the plastic layer off it, and let's look inside what's in there. Alright guys, so the box is opening up and let's see what's coming out of it. So we got a pretty teeny mini box here. Hopefully the drone is inside there. And what else we have got? We have got, hopefully there's a charger, and we got a few coupons, I believe. I don't know what are those for. These are the safety information and the law for the local council. Alright, it's pretty hard to open this one. And we have got something terribly big and stuck in there. Okay, there you go. Beautiful. So guys, this is the empty box. I'm going to put everything aside and we're going to go one by one on each and every product. Okay, let's open this box. What's in there? So we have got a very beautiful remote control for the drone. This one actually goes for two miles from the range. It's pretty good. This is a combo package which does include the remote itself. Let's find out what's in there. So we've got our OTG cable in case the range goes up, which is a good thing for something like that. Hopefully that works out well. And we have got, oh, beautiful, we've got another OTG cable from this to the USB-C, which is good. And we've got the remote control itself, which we already looked at before. Alright, let's look at some other things we've got in this box. I think it's a charger. Let's find out. That's the only good way to look at it, was just to find out. It's got a lot of books in there. I've looked at a few videos already. Somebody was telling me this Spark comes with the whole library of the things do and do not do, which I'm not going to go through now. We have got the, I believe it's a kind of, I think it's a charging cable, I believe. Yes, it is a normal charging cable. It's a normal old USB 2.0. Okay, let's find out what else is there. Okay, we have got the USB adapter for charging the stuff or whatever. And that's pretty much it, guys. Let's find out what's in that box we looked at before. And we find out. There we go. That's our beautiful drone. It looks like we don't have a brick charger here, which normally comes with the other drone, but this one comes with one battery. This is pretty teeny miny. I didn't know it was that small. Let's go and set it up and fly this thing up and see. Alright, let's go and set this thing up and fly it and see how well it performs under the windy. It's not very windy today. See you in a minute.